Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to use any song as your background music on Snapchat. Follow these easy steps to easily add any song for your Snapchat snaps or story background. And the process will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. And now I'm going to capturing a snap first. Okay, now to add background music here, tap on this music icon in this left-hand menu. And now tap on this search artist and sounds box. And now search for the music that you want to add as your background. And now here you will find your search results. Now search for the specific song that you want to use for your background. And now you can crop your music from here and then tap on done. And as you can see, the music has been added. Now tap on your music. Okay. And you can easily pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the music tag. You can also change the position of this music tag. Now just tap on send to, and now you can send this photo to your friends as snaps, or you can send it to your story. So this is how we can add or use any song as background on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.